Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace this dual sliding switch. One of them for the fan and the other one is used for the light. Yeah, this one is kind of flimsy. The plastic part that holds this knob just broke off. We got a different one, and yeah, we got a different one. It looks pretty much the same, except this one also might break because I can't find anything better than this. So this is like 30 bucks from, what company is this? Lutron. So, but there's another one like 60 bucks, but that one also doesn't have any good reviews. So this is the best we can do. So, so let's get to it. All right, before you do any electrical work, you need to make sure that the circuit is off. So turn off the breaker for that circuit. Wow. Okay, we're opening the switch. All right, before we touch any wires, we need to make sure the circuit is actually off. Even though we turned off the breaker, we need to make sure it's off. We use a this tool that tells you you can pick it up for like 12 bucks or something like that at Harbor Freight. So this is made by a company called Surveyor. So you should be able to check a circuit with this. If it's on, it would tell you that it's actually on by lighting up, and it makes quite a bit of annoying sound. So let's check if the circuit is actually off. Okay, it is off. Alright, the old one and new one is slightly different, but not a whole lot. So the old one has one red and yellow. We got the same one, red and yellow here. And the bottom, this one only has one. Okay, this one only has three. This one has four. Okay, three. The green one is just the ground. Okay, so it's pretty much the green one is the ground, and black is the neutral here, and red is the live. So, all right, I think we are good to go. Let's get started. Okay, the new and old is pretty much the same. So we're going to just duplicate what's here. The only thing extra is this thing doesn't have a ground, so we have a new one as a ground, so we're just going to connect the ground. But otherwise, just connect the yellow to black here, and red to red. And black is already connected to black. Yeah. And then just green to the ground. So my old switch and the new switch both are made by Lutron. And this one is a little older. Other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. So we connected yellow to black. we connected red to red, and we connected black to black, and we just connected the green to the ground, and that should be it. So make sure everything is tight, and all right, let's go turn on the breaker. All right, now the breaker is turned on. Let's make sure our light and fan are working. And here's the fan. It's working now. So that's pretty easy to do. Just duplicate what was already there in the previous circuit, and that should be it. Only thing you need to make sure is turn off the breaker before you touch anything electrical. Otherwise, it's pretty easy. Last thing is just put the plate on, then you're done. Thanks for watching.